Welcome to Tenor Tech, where I solve the problems you didn't even know you had.
You start by picking a clean, high-resolution image and immediately crop a square tile to lock the repeating unit. Once done, correct perspective and remove edges with healing or content-aware so seams have no obvious patterns. Make sure to work on duplicated layers to preserve the original. You then equalize midtones and remove global color casts so the tile reads consistent when repeated. This first pass prevents large-scale mismatches and prepares the image for precise offset and blending work. You apply the offset filter to shift the image by half its width and height so seams move to the center. This exposes discontinuities ready for correction. Then, with clone and healing brushes at multiple opacity settings, you rebuild texture across seams while maintaining grain and micro detail. Make sure to alternate between local cloning and frequency separation so color and texture are handled independently. Once blends look even, run slight global adjustments, curves, and a mild sharpening to harmonize the tile visually. You finish by testing the tile in a grid, place a 3x3 repeat and scan for repeating motifs, scale jumps, or visible seams. If you see ghosting or doubled details, use micro-heal and subtle local transforms to break the repeat, and clone small elements to vary pattern without altering overall texture. Finally, export as a lossless file and save your layered source. If things still look wrong, lower global contrast slightly. Often a high contrast edge reveals seams, so softening contrast fixes most persistent artifacts.
Thanks for watching. Subscribe to keep your life in tune.